I'm building a carom board.
Carom is a game that originated in India. And if you've never played, think mini billiards but with your fingers. You flick discs into corner pockets, and it's all about strategy, aim, and control. And yes, it gets competitive real fast. I'm cutting the frame pieces that will wrap around the board. I've cut the playing surface to the official 29 by 29 inches, which is the standard size for tournament-style carom boards, so it plays exactly the way it's meant to. Make sure to stick around because next up, I'm assembling this baby.